So, got some new boxes in the house. So let's do a quick unboxing of this. Really nothing too exciting, I think, but let's see. Okay, so let's start with the small box first. Mitsubishi Evo body. And two beer sets, Subaru. And some accessories, stickers, and more stickers. So it's not complete. I got him really cheap, so I think it will do. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, so let's open the big box. More body. So this is the Datsun 240C. I think it's for 25 or M chassis. And another 240C. This is also for the M chassis. This is hard to see, but it's Rally Legends. It's the Lancia Delta Touring. Some stickers. And this is the Mazda RX-3, 700 RX. So these will be painted up, and you will probably see it later in some movies on my channel. So really looking forward to this. What I would do was to show you some of the projects I have going. I just picked up this Team Durango 410 DAX version 5. It's been used in races and run, so it got some wears, but I think it will be okay. Read about these cars and they're supposed to be very good. I never had one before, so when this showed up for sale, I just had to get it. So I will, in the future, I will get some electronics into this and give it a go and see how it works. See, it's a very nice car. Yeah. Another car I got is this one. I already made a first run movie of it because it was so complete with everything. I just charged the battery and had to make a mount for the steering servo, and off we go. So this one will need a cleanup and adjusting the diff, and maybe see if there is any way to adjust the pinion to the gear, and yeah, it should be okay. So as you can see here, this was the mount I just made for holding the steering servo down. It came with another, not the original Tamtec speed controller. It actually is brushless, and it came with a 2-cell lipo. Yeah, so yeah, should I probably adjust the steering, but yeah, very fun car. I have to try it inside on the living room floor one day. Yeah, so that's it. Yeah, so in the same lot as the Porsche 935, I got this one. Still missing the controller, but the previous owner said he was going to ship it to me, so I'm waiting for it. This one needs a little bit more work, but there's a lot of dust, just so it needs a good wash. See, it's all gray. Yeah, and as well, this one also comes with another speed controller, M-Tronics Viper, and it has an optional motor, Team Orion of some kind. I'm not sure which one it is, but I will be putting a 540 into this and taking out this motor, but I have to give it a try before, just to see if there's any fun with this one. So yeah, so that's the Wild Willy 2 that I need to, oh yeah, I should show you this. It needs a new tire as well. So I will change the tires. I actually have 4 new tires, so that should be okay. So yeah, next car is this one, the Durga. This one I got for free. I'm just kidding. This one I swapped with my MO6 Volkswagen Beetle, new in box, because I had several of those Volkswagen Beetle models and never built them, so I thought it would be better to get this car, as I've been looking for it since it's so popular online. I thought it was time for me also to have one. Comes with all the electronics, or I need a receiver and a steering controller. But there is a strange sound to it, so I will have to, I think it's from the front, so I have to take it up and have a look and see what it is. They came with 2 unpainted shell, one with the drawings of how they were supposed to paint it. So I will actually try that and see how it turns out. So yeah, so that's the Durga. Next one is this race prepped MO5. This one is one I've shown you earlier in the channel. I bought it in the lot with 3 cars. It's now time to make this functional and take it for a spin. I will change the speed controller because I want to use this in another car, and since it's a brushless one, yeah. So, and I have bought I think it's a Blitz and the brand is Blitz. It's an Audi A1 chassis, and I have used a liquid mask all on the inside, and I've drawn up how I wanted to paint it. So this is actually just ready to be painted. Yeah, I think it's gonna be cool. And it will go on that way. As you can see, we'll have to change the wheelbase to make it fit, but that should be no problem. Yeah, so that's it. I guess I should also show you this car. This body you've seen before. I painted it for my TRF 415, the Mark Reinhardt edition. But now I put it into this car, since I got another body for that chassis. But underneath this body, we have another Mark Reinhardt edition, TRF 415, with the electronics on it. So so I will just need to wash this, and I ordered a new belt since it's missing, and yeah, I think it should be okay. Gotta change the steering wheel. It's too big, so the previous owner have actually cut away the carbon there. Hopefully it won't make the car flex too much, because it cut it, so it should be okay. With this car, I will give it a go on the racetrack, I think, if I get a time, but it will eventually come up for sale, then as a roller. Yeah. So that's that one. While we're at it, maybe I'll just show you the Mark Reinhardt edition I'm trying to make a replica of. So I got the body professionally painted in the same livery as Mark Reinhardt had his car. I found a lot of the stickers I need, but there are still some at the sushi stickers missing, some hybrids stickers missing, and one that's supposed to be here. I think it's like RX or something. Can't find them anywhere. So, but hopefully I can find some good pictures, and then I can get them made up myself. So, I'll show you a chassis. This one, as you can see, is much more cleaner. I added Mark Reinhardt edition motor, and I got this very fast Spectrum servo, and I also have the wrong servo horn, but I got a new one, so I'm gonna change this one. I have mounted stabilizers on the front. I will also mount them in the back. So yeah, but this one, it's quite ready. It's got aluminum rear arms. I got the originals if I want to put them on, but for now these ones are okay. Yeah. So, and as you can see, there, Mark Reinhardt. Yeah. Okay, so that's it. So now we have a view of all the projects I have going on. Probably some more, but if you like this, And please feel free to subscribe and like. And if you want to see more and be reminded about it, so hit the notification bell and you will get a notification when the new movie comes out for this project. So that's it for now. Bye bye.